Today I'm going to be testing some bathroom cleaners, especially the ones that say they have limescale removing properties, the ones that you use on your shower, that kind of thing. The reason I'm going to test them is I want to see how acidic they actually are and how good they are at actually removing limescale. So what we're going to do is we're going to test them with an acid indicator paper and we'll see how much acidic content there is in them. The reason we're doing that is because acids dissolve limescale. Limescale is predominantly calcium carbonate. You might know it as chalk. So we're also going to test it against a quantity of chalk too. Let's get started, shall we? Right, now we've got them all filled up, let's do some universal indicator paper tests. So these colours, these should all be in the red bracket. All of these should be somewhere around here, which indicates an acid which dissolves limescale. First one, W5, which is Lidl own brand. That's gone kind of red. Cillit Bang, that's gone a red colour. Astonish Power Shine, clear. Jeyes Bloo, that's gone a little bit red. Cif Power Shine, that's gone quite red. The pink stuff, that's quite clear, marginally red I think. Viakal, gone a little bit red. And then this one, Product X, this is the one that I use. That's gone quite very red actually. Okay, so looking at these, it looks like the one that I use and these two here should be the most effective. Next thing we're going to do is add some chalk. Okay, we've got all these pieces here, all roughly the same size. Let's pop a bit in each container, as is. Make sure it's got full coverage. And then what we'll do is we'll leave this for about 30 minutes and see what happens. So let's put this on time lapse. Right, so 30 minutes has passed. Let's have a look and see what the results are, shall we? So we'll start here with the W5. Let's have a look, see what's happened here. So that looks like, look at that, completely broken down. How cool is that? So that suggests that would be really good as a limescale cleaner. The Cillit Bang, looks like that one's been busy. Created a bit of a foamy mess on top. And yeah, that's also completely gone. Now, the Astonish Daily Shower Shine. Yeah, that's still intact. So yeah, not such a good product, that one. The Blue, Jeyes Bloo, that one looks like it's been busy. Another one completely broken down. Cif Power Shine. What's this one like? Yeah, another quality one. Looks like that one's all broken down. Good stuff. Pink stuff. Yeah, I think you can make your own mind up on that one. Not a good limescale remover at all. Viakal. Now for me, I think this is the most surprising one. It says on that label, #1 against limescale. Does that look like a great limescale cleaner to you? Like it's going to be a great limescale cleaner? It's hardly broken that down at all. There are a few little bits inside there, but hardly broken that down at all. So the Viakal, despite saying #1 against limescale, not so great. What about this one? This one's broken down gradually, hasn't it? It's not done. Yeah, so that's a bit gentler, but it's done the job. It proves it does actually break down limescale, because there's quite a few. You can see it has actually broken that down. Right, so I've moved all the ones back that I don't actually rate. So in terms of kind of being the strongest, we've got these four here. The W5, which is Lidl's own brand, Cillit Bang, Jeyes Bloo and Cif Power Shine. And then we've got the one that I use here, which is a bit gentler but still effective at breaking down limescale. Do you want to know what this one is? This is one that you can easily make up yourself. It's Harpic Power Plus, 10 mils of that, so 10 mils diluted in a spray bottle. This bottle contains 680 mils, and what there is in there is 10 mils. I sometimes use 20 when I want a slightly stronger mix. But if you were using 10 mils at 680 mils, that's 68 of these bottles. 68 spray bottles for £2. Whereas the rest of these cost roughly anywhere between £1 and £2 each, and use an awful lot of plastic. So here we're using one plastic bottle, two plastic bottles to create 68 bottles of product. Even if you diluted this to 20 mils per spray bottle, that's 34 bottles. How much of a money saver and a plastic saver is that? And as you can see, it is effective. It's just a bit gentler than these stronger ones. As one of York's highest rated cleaners, this is what I use. I only bought these just to try them out and to see if they were effective. I hope you found that useful. I found it quite insightful to do, especially seeing the products that are supposed to be good at removing limescale don't appear to be very good at it at all. And as I say, as one of York's highest rated cleaning service providers, I actually use a diluted mix which saves on plastic and saves an absolute fortune money wise. One bottle makes between 30 to 60 bottles, and I'm only using two plastic bottles, as I said. I don't want to keep hammering that point home, but considering the others cost between £1 and £2 a bottle, it's just an absolute no-brainer. If you've liked this, please give the video a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. If you like what I'm doing on this channel, please subscribe. It costs you nothing. All it means is YouTube will give you a notification when you open it up whenever I've uploaded another video. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. You take care and I'll see you soon. Cheerio.